Hey guys, I'm Brittany and you are watching my cooking channel. Not really, just like a little video. But anyway, you're in my new apartment in Atlanta and I am so excited just to show you guys. So today we will be making my 60-second apple pie that I posted on my Instagram story, and I got so many comments and DMs after I posted it. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna do a little video about it. So all you need is a half an apple, which I've already chopped it up. So here's the other half. Some honey graham crackers. If you want, you can do like cinnamon graham crackers. But I also have cinnamon and agave. You can also use honey, but I'm gonna use agave. So I've already chopped up half my apple and put it in a little dish like this. And I'm just gonna add up the, add the rest of them. Boom, 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 boom. Give me a second. For this 60-second apple pie, I'm using a Pink Lady apple. So that's what I'm using. If you want to use Granny, if you want to use Fiji, or whatever you want to use, perfectly fine and up to you. So I got my apples sliced up. They're in the dish already. So I'm going to add some cinnamon on top. A little sprinkle. Oh my goodness. A little sprinkle on top, making a mess. Then I'm going to add some agave right on top. Just swirl it on in there. I'm not even measuring. And then my favorite part is to crumble up the graham crackers. So I'm just gonna crumble right on top of the dish. This is kind of fun because you're making a mess. I feel like LeBron. Okay. All right, so now that you got your apple slices, your cinnamon, your agave or your honey, and your graham crackers on top, it is time to put this baby in the microwave for 60 seconds. Let's do it. 60 seconds on the clock, and I cannot wait for this apple pie to come out. Whew, maybe I'm too excited. I get really excited about the simplest things. So what do we do for the next 60 seconds? Oh, I need a fork. So now I am ready, and now I just wait. Too excited. Too excited. Hot, 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 hot. All right, it's done. That's my 60-second apple pie. Okay, bye. No, I'm kidding. All right, so we have this hot, ooey gooey, apple underneath with the agave and the cinnamon and the graham crackers on top. I am it smells so good. I wish you guys can smell this. Now it's time to dive in. It is perfect. It's not too, the apples aren't too mushy. You still have a little bit of crisp in the apples because they're still intact. And then you get a flavor from the cinnamon, and then you get the sweetness from the agave or the honey. And then you still have a soft crust from the graham cracker, and it's warm, it's not soggy, it's perfect. And it was so simple to so simple to make. So not only are apples great for apple pie, they are great for the body too. Obviously, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But apples have a lot of fiber in it, and that is great for the colon and great for flushing the body. It is a natural laxative. So if you take an apple or eat an apple at night, in the morning you'll be nice and flushed out. Also, apples contain a natural chemical called pectin. And pectin is kind of like gelatin. It keeps everything together, so everything just kind of forms out nicely, if you know what I mean. Basically, it just keeps the bowels together so you have a nice good flush. So apples are great for cleansing the body, is great for fiber, and it gives you great energy because it is a complex carb, meaning it will digest slowly in the body. That way you get a nice good solid energy throughout the day versus a high peak and then you crash later like most candy or power drinks or energy bars. So apples are amazing. So anyway, thank you so much for the feedback from my Instagram story. That's the only reason why I did this video for you guys. And yeah, stay healthy and bye. Oh, before I forget, if you have any questions or if you want me to do any other videos, give me a shout at heybrittanyD@gmail.com. And just say hey. Or you can just say hey. All right, bye.